Hello there, this is Dave Allen for No Stylist, and today we're looking at what we can do with that track that we put into Bossjock so we can make a intro recording for our podcast that we can use over and over again. So I've got this track in here and it's ready to go, and I can play that there. I've got 16 seconds on it and it's going to loop, and I can make my track as long as I want it to be. So the thing to do with this here is to set this down at the bottom level here so it's ready to go. And we're going to click on record, and then we're going to say what we want to say, do our recording. Then we're going to be able to record it and put it into one of the carts to use. So let's just get and do that there. So let's go to microphone set OK, cart set down bottom there, and let's get started. Click on record, and now we're recording. So let's go back to the cart again to make sure we've got the cart down there. It's 0, and we'll press this and get started. This is Dave Allen for Mac Questions, and this is the Mac podcast where we talk to Mac users about what they really do with their computers. None of those silly rumours that people put into other podcasts about Macs. We just talk about stuff that is real. So now I've got that finished, I'm going to slide to pause on that there, and I'm going to click on finish and save that recording out. So I can put a name in there, and it's going to be my new intro. You might need to try this a few times to get your recording just the way you want it, and just click on save recording when you need to go there, and that's ready to use now. So let's just turn that off there. We don't need the sound coming in from the cart, and now we're going to put this into the cart ready to use. So let's click on this one here, go to recordings, and go to our new intro. So this is our new intro. So what we're going to do with this here is just going to go into the settings for it first of all. As you can see, there was a few tries happening there before we got started. So what I want it to start here when it's going to have a bit of a fade in to get started. Press the in button there. The app is going to be fine, I think. Click on out. And we don't need it to loop. So when we're ready to do our podcast, all we have to do is to click on record there. We're recording now. And start by pressing our new intro. This is the Mac 20 Questions podcast. We talk to Mac users about what they really do with their computers and their iOS devices. We don't talk about silly. You just got to watch the timer when it's coming down towards the end there. As I say, you can put other sounds in if you want to. And as it's getting towards the end of the intro there, you can press that there to stop it. You have to practice with this a little bit. So then you continue on with your podcast with the other background sounds you've got and other sound effects, and using the microphone switch at the bottom there to add some sound to your voice, and it's a creative way to make a podcast. Practice with this and you have a really good performance style podcast with Bossjock. So this is Dave Allen showing you how you can use your music that you created in GarageBand that you can put into Bossjock and make your own performance podcasts. Talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.